In this video, I'm going to share with you the 4 reasons why you're unable to get yourself into multifamily investing. So I'm JP, Juan Pablo, the founder and CEO of Multifamily Done For You. Let's jump into it. As always, guys, in these videos, I like to share acronyms so it's memorable. So let's start off with the first M. The first M is the market. One of the main reasons why you're unable to get into multifamily investing is because you're only focused on, perhaps, is my assumption, one singular market. More than likely it's a market that you're familiar with, where you live at, right? In your backyard. And that market, it could be saturated, right? Tons of investors or tons of competition that's preventing you from buying the multifamily property. As soon as it's listed, today is gone tomorrow, right? Or it could just be, it could just be extremely saturated. Or there could be limited inventory, right? Where there might be tons of single family homes, maybe a duplex or two, but if your desire is to get 5 units and up, it could be slim pickings in your market, okay? So that's the first M, just being focused on your own market. That's preventing you from getting multifamily. The second M could be the money, right? If you're so, going back to the market, if you're so focused on a particular market or area where you live, neighborhood, yeah, there might be multifamily properties, but it may not be affordable, right? Especially when you're doing investment mortgages, they require, depending on what you qualify for, 20% down, 25% down, sometimes 30% down. You might not have the liquid capital to buy a multifamily property with that level of down payment that's required. So the money could be holding you back, which is tied into the first M, is because you only focus on a market that could be expensive, okay? The third M is this. So let me recap. We have the market, we have the money, the model, okay? You might be focused on a particular model that may not work in the market that you're looking to invest in. Meaning you could be looking to do fix and rent properties, but there's a ton of new construction going on and the inventory is low again. It just keeps going back to the market, right? So you have to make sure that the market that you choose to invest in, that the model, let's say it's fix and rent, or if it's turnkey, is applicable in that area, okay? And the last M, so let's recap again: market, money, model, management. What do I mean by management? In terms of the execution, the teams, it could be just you, where you're doing everything from being the CEO to the janitor of your multifamily business, right? You're the sole owner, you're the solopreneur. You're raising the capital yourself. You're looking for deals online or offline. You're driving for dollars. You're contacting agents and wholesalers. You're doing a bunch of legwork yourself. Even when you get a deal in the contract, you're performing the due diligence, verifying the leases and the expenses. You're also doing walkthroughs, property inspections. You're doing the property management yourself. And plus, not to add that, you might have a full-time job, family, right? You have other commitments, other obligations, to the point where it makes it challenging where your time is concerned to actually invest, right? Your time, you are the bottleneck, which is preventing you from getting to multifamily. Now, if that's you and you want to remove yourself as the bottleneck and you want to leverage those other M's as well, make sure you're applying the right model in the right market and with the right money that you have, right? To make your dollars stretch, get more bang for your buck. Then all you have to do, my friend, is just schedule a discovery call. The link's in the description. And on that call, my team and I will reach out to you to make sure that we're a good fit for you and that you are a good fit for us. But hey, you don't have to do anything I share in this video. All I share is this: just keep coming back. You can check out our other content. You might see cars pop up or other video links or playlists, wherever it is on this YouTube channel. But just fill your head with the knowledge and just make sure you take action. All right? As always, guys, it's to your success. Continue to earn passively, live passionately. Peace.